Every time I drive this car, I think about its pedigree and about the legends who've raced it. Men with names like Fangio, Hill, Castellati, Ginther, Gregory, and of course, Carroll Shelby. I think about Buenos Aires and Havana, about Palm Springs and Nassau, when Gary Cooper and Ernest Hemingway were apt to show up and watch this car run against the greatest drivers the world has ever known. I think about what this Ferrari meant to the career of a young Carroll Shelby, back in those early days, before the Cobra, before Le Mans, before the name Shelby took on a life of its own. I think about how this was the greatest Ferrari Shelby had ever driven, and the greatest that Enzo, in his own words, had ever built. It was the fastest, most powerful Ferrari of its day. I marvel that I'm allowed in this lifetime to drive this machine. A machine that somehow, some way, survived racing's most dangerous era. A machine as beautiful as anything Scaglietti ever designed, yet also tough enough to withstand the brutality of endurance racing. I think of Carroll Shelby, still a young man, not yet a legend, on that winter's day in 1957, cradling just one of the many trophies he won in this car. Every time I drive this car, I think of all of this. Of the honor. And of the responsibility. And with every drive, I get to be a part of this legend.